We recently visited residents at Riverview Apartments in Mirfield, West Yorkshire. There are 31 modern flats looking out over the river. Unfortunately, the apartments recently suffered an accidental flooding, and as a result, the gardens were affected. Malcolm and Denise have lived with Johnnie Johnson Housing for 12 years, and Malcolm has a passion for gardening. He was keen to restore the garden back to its original state prior to the water damage. Residents have been raising money through donations to buy new plants and flowers. Johnnie Johnson Housing has also been able to donate a laptop through the recent reconditioned laptop scheme that will allow Malcolm to get online. As well as online banking and online shopping, this laptop will also allow Malcolm to support his hobbies and interests, which include researching plants and flowers.